Introducing the 2025 Skoda Fabia SEL 1.0 PSI 115 horsepower DSG in sleek grey. This stunning hatchback is a true powerhouse on the road with its 1-litre engine and automatic transmission, perfect for those who crave a smooth and seamless driving experience. Packed with comfort and safety features, you can cruise with peace of mind knowing that you are in good hands. From air conditioning to collision avoidance braking, this vehicle has everything you need for a safe and enjoyable journey. The interior boasts luxury trim and plenty of storage options, making every ride a luxurious experience. What sets this vehicle apart is its exceptional security features like lane departure warning and multiple airbags, ensuring that you and your loved ones are always protected on the road. Plus, with its energy recuperation system and stop and start technology, you can save fuel while reducing your carbon footprint. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us today at or visit spiritskoda.ie for more information on how you can drive home in the 2025 Skoda Fabia SEL.